Basic workflows. Here's some of the most common workflows with Animation Snapper Pro. Snapped to element. Number 1. Pose your snapped relative to the element. This could be a vertex, edge, or face. On the frame you want the snap to start, if snapping forwards, or the last frame of the range if snapping backwards, if there's animation on that element. Number 2. You only need to set the snapped. 3. Set range. 4. Go into edit mode and select any element. This would be the element that you want to follow. Vertex, edge, or face. This will work on any deformed mesh with skinning, shape keys, or even animated modifiers. 5. Snap forwards or backwards with snapped to element. The next common workflow is pivot to pivot. For this, number 1, set your source. Number 2, set your snapped. Number 3, set range if you're going to use batch. Number 4, snap now, batch forwards or backwards, or step forwards or backwards. Another common workflow is offset snap, if you want to maintain the offset between two objects. For this, number 1, set your source. Number 2, set snapped. Number 3, create offset helper on the frame you want the snap to start, if snapping forwards, or the last frame of the range if snapping backwards. On creation of the offset helper, it will autofill this new helper to be your new source for snapping. It is also parented to your original source, so it follows it at that original offset between the source and the snapped. Number 4, set range if you're going to use batch. Number 5, since the helper has been autofilled as your new source, you can go directly to batch forwards or backwards, or step forwards or backwards. Plane snap. Just to quickly align objects in your scene without setting any animation keys. Turn on Use Selection Order mode. Your first selected will be your source. Your second selected will be your snapped. Turn off keyframe on snap, and now simply press snap now. And finally, switch what the snap item follows at any time, or even as many times as you like during an animation. Number 1, use any of the previous methods to create your first snap for the time that you want. Number 2, since everything just bakes the keyframes, to be safe, you can simply set a keyframe on the frame before the new snap on the location and rotation channels. This is just before it will switch to the new source item. Number 3, now set the source and snapped, or just snapped in the case of snap to element. Number 4, then just simply use any of the previous methods to snap to the new object you want to follow. You can do this one time or multiple times, it doesn't matter. These methods go directly to baked keyframes. So no new constraints or parenting is created on the snapped objects. If you make a mistake or just don't like the results, simply delete the keyframes and try again. For more details on the other capabilities of this add-on, have a look at the Quick Start Guide or have a look at the full tutorials in my playlist.